Okay, we're ready for step 3, and that's concealer. Now, let's think about concealer as a power tool because we all need it every now and then, especially under the eye area, but to hide all other kind of things that bug us. So, we're going to go right to our top concealer at Kriss Cosmetics. It's Camofluer Concealer, 100% all natural mineral, and it's paramedical grade, which means you can put it on a blemish, you know, if you've had a little surgery done or whatever, you can put it like 2 days post-op right on top. And it'll even cover a tattoo. So it has no problems with the little day-to-day things that bug us. So how to use your Camofluer concealer. You're going to use the Camo number 10 brush. This is a flat synthetic brush. You're going to open it up, go in, put it on the back of the hand, and then you're going to work from the back of your hand. This is going to stop you from going from container to face with your finger and then using like a week's worth in one spot. Just remember, it's very concentrated. A little goes a long way. So I'm going to go from the back of the hand and grab a little bit of the little bit. And I'm going to start by just tapping it on underneath the eye area into the inner corner. And then with what's left, I'm going to sweep it over the lid, and I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow base. All right, so then I can just do little feather stroking motions and blend it in. When you can't see it anymore, you know you're done blending. And take it down into that foundation just a little bit. Now, anything left on the brush, I'm going to work around the nose where usually I have a little redness. I can also put it around the lips, hide any blemishes, and hit some in any deep crevices because this is highly light reflective. So in addition to being incredible coverage, the light reflection when light hits it just absolutely creates the illusion of perfection. So let's go do the other eye. We're going to tap in. We're going to go all the way around. And we're going to go over the lid. The skin around the eye is the thinnest skin on the body, so you really want to cover all the way around. Good. This is looking great. Nose. And anytime you're going on the face, just remember that little downward strokes are better than putting makeup up into the face. Skincare up, makeup down. Okay, so there we have it. Concealer. I'm feeling pretty good. I look rested. How about you? You liking it? Awesome. So that's concealer, step 3. So our next step will be to set this all with our magical light reflective powder.